how to fix website not allowed in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if a website is not opening on your iPhone. It might be because you might have limited some of the websites. I'll show you what you can do. You need to head over to settings, then you'll need to scroll down and you need to go to screen time and scroll down again, tap on content and privacy restrictions. And then once you're there, go to App Store, Media, Web and Games. Click on web content, and if it is set to limit adult websites or only approved websites, then set it to unrestricted. Now, this will help you solve your issue. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.